Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I find that the best way to stay productive is if my coffee stays hot with me all day long. So, this cup warmer is the perfect thing to add to my desk.
I am a tragically slow coffee drinker, and it is the worst thing to me when I am drinking my coffee or tea and it just gets tepid. I think that is so gross. So, this mug warmer from Coanto is a lifesaver. Not only is it the perfect color to match with my entire desk setup, but it has so many great features from three different temperature settings to anywhere from a 2 to 12-hour timer. This thing is absolutely perfect. It has an auto 4-hour shut off, so you don't have to worry if you forget to shut it off, but it works so well. I also really love how this can double as a candle warmer, which is just the perfect thing. I love things that have multiple uses, and this is definitely it. It is just such the perfect companion to have in my office.
I love that I never have to worry about my coffee getting cold and that this matches with my office perfectly. I couldn't recommend this more, and that's my point of view.